So if you are unable to invite someone as collaborator, this video is for you. Watch this video till end. I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix this can't be invited as collaborator yet Instagram's issue. So let's start the video without any delay. So before moving further, it is very important to understand what is this feature about. What's the use of this feature? So the word collaboration in simple terms means partnership or an act of producing something together. So basically this feature is for creators and for business related people. Now let's see how we can fix this issue. So first of all, make sure your account must be public because as you already know, this option is for creators or for business related people. So any creation or any production must be public. Second thing, make your account a professional account so that your account will be identified as creator or business account. To switch your account to a professional account, tap on this menu button, scroll down, tap switch to professional account, follow the required steps, and after making your account a professional account, you have to wait for 48 hours and after that you are ready to go. But still, if you are facing this issue, ask your partner to check their tag setting whether it is turned on for everyone or not. And still, if you are facing this issue, then simply take the screenshot of this interface and report your problem. Now Instagram will solve your problem and within 24 hours your issue will be fixed. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can also visit our website with given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.